Hey, Clarksville, Tennessee real estate agents. This is Michael Tritthart. Looking forward to our class that's coming your way July 10th. This is going to be a day-long session that is going to be power-packed. It's going to be in the first morning, which is a 3-hour block. It's going to be generate more leads for free. The record for this class, 63 listings in 1 hour for one agent. Then from 12:30 to 1:30, we're going to do probably the hottest topic right now in real estate, hottest topic in the world, Chat GPT for your business. And then we're going to wrap the day with a 2-hour session on video marketing for real estate. But here's the best part. These are now CE certified for the state of Tennessee. So all attendees are going to be able to earn 6 hours of CE credit. We just got that approved this week. Super excited to be bringing it out your way. All you got to do is register below. Total cost on all of this is $50. This cannot be beat. You're going to get CE hours. You're going to get credit for your license in Tennessee. You're going to get business tips and tricks to just blow your business up for the remaining part of the year. Going into next year, definitely a class you don't want to miss. I will see you guys on July 10th.